welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a teacher's present. Let's do it.
My name's Leanne, this is Eliza. We're going to be making a teacher's thank you gift. I'm going to do this on a budget. So it's almost those last days of school and we're getting ready to make our teacher's gift. We used a selection of items from Poundland and Asda, and if you want to see this haul you can set your notifications and join us next Friday when we've got a random shopping haul. So we started off with Poundland with these wonderful Kilner jugs. These are the slightly bigger ones, the 0.54 litres. From Asda, these Prosecco gums. These are a wine flavoured gum, and they've got little cute shapes like diamonds and hearts on them. We're going to pop the gummies, kind of squish them inside the glass like that, and it's saying with this one. So we've got together 3 sample tea bags and we're just going to slot them in very carefully at the front. No. Oh, we can do it like that. Okay, that's a good idea. I like these zebra pens in a lovely rose gold colour were £1 in Poundland. My friend who's a teacher, Eliza, says that what she loves more than anything else as a gift
is new pens.
Is new pens and stationery, and she cannot get enough new pens and stationery. So anything like that is really greatly appreciated. So I thought some nice posh pens for them to start off the year would be perfect.
And guess what? Miss Nicklin has a few pens. Just like 2 I've only seen.
Right.
She only has 2, so this would really help her.
Okay, that's great. So do you think we should put the pens, take them out the packet, or do you think we should try and, I don't think we can get these. Oh, we could. Oh, that's okay, that fits in like that. Yeah. So then, we've got our little jugs. We use some cellophane. I got this roll of cellophane for £1. So just move that one over there like that. So we're going to put that, because what we want it to do is come up in the middle. We're going to just bring all of the sides up together to start off with, and just keep that in the centre. So to just finish off these gifts, I picked some black ribbon, which I thought would go with the chalkboard gift tag that I'm using quite cutely, and just securing those on while I use an acrylic marker to write out the names of the teachers' gifts. These chalkboards are available, I believe, in Home Bargains and in Poundland, and these were just left over from another craft that we were doing. I'm securing the chalkboard tags with twine and then just cutting off the ends to keep it nice and tidy. Meanwhile, Eliza's writing out some real gift tags so that we can just tie at the end and she can sign them personally. What kind of gift are you going to give for your school teachers? Do you have a budget for that kind of thing? And if so, how many do you buy?
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Eliza as well. Don't forget to check out our Instagram, social media and Twitter. All links in the description below. And I'll see you all next time on Eliza's World. Bye!
Bye! Hit that like button in your face!
Yeah! It's never going to be sponsored.